Hi friends, welcome back to Wanderlust channel. Today we are exploring the magnificent Shaktan Thampuran Palace here in the cultural heart of Kerala, Thrissur. Let's dive in. Shaktan Thampuran Palace, originally known as Vadakkechera Kavilakam, is a historic 18th century royal palace located in Thrissur, Kerala. It was named after Rama Varma Shaktan Thampuran, who reigned from 1790 to 1805 and is celebrated as the architect of modern Thrissur. During what is often called the Golden Era, he shifted the capital to Thrissur and initiated the spectacular Thrissur Puram festival, which still draws huge crowds today. Rebuilt in 1795, the palace is an elegant blend of traditional Kerala Nalukattu architecture and Dutch colonial elements. On the western side, you'll find a two-storied section with a distinct western influence, while the eastern side showcases the classic Nalukattu layout with its open central courtyard. The building's design features thick laterite walls, lofty ceilings, wide Renaissance-style doors and windows, and a grand central portico, all hallmarks of Dutch architectural style that inspired many local structures of the time. Inside, the Italian marble floors, spacious rooms, and high wooden rafters help keep the palace naturally cool and airy throughout the year. In 2005, Shaktan Thampuran Palace was converted into a museum that gives visitors a glimpse into the region's rich royal past. The museum houses a variety of fascinating galleries, including a bronze gallery with statues from the 12th to 18th centuries, a sculpture gallery with granite pieces from the 9th to 17th centuries, and a numismatics section featuring rare coins from Roman times, various Kerala dynasties, the Indo-Dutch period, the British era, and even Tipu Sultan's reign. There is also an epigraphy gallery with ancient inscriptions, a megalithic gallery displaying Stone Age artifacts, and a collection of Royal era bronze and copper household utensils. The entry fee is 35 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for using a mobile camera. However, keep in mind that videography is not allowed inside the palace, so I have included photos to help you appreciate its beauty. Outside Shakthan Palace, you will find a serene and well-maintained landscape that perfectly complements the historical grandeur of the building. The palace grounds spread across 6 acres, with open courtyards, ancient trees, and shaded pathways that give the whole area a calm, regal atmosphere. Another special corner outside is the sacred Sapakavu, or Serpent Grove, nestled under large shady trees. It's an ancient space dedicated to serpent worship, which is deeply rooted in Kerala's local traditions and folklore. Close by, you can see the tombs of Shakthan Thampuran and other royals, which lie within the palace compound, giving the entire site a sense of timelessness and respect for the past. The palace gardens are also home to a small heritage garden featuring native and medicinal plants, and sometimes archaeological remnants displayed on stone platforms. We are concluding our journey here. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful place with me. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more exciting travel stories from around the world. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop your comments or questions below. Until next time, take care, travel safe, and see you in the next adventure.